Hello everybody, this is the video for the project of the software engineering course. The project is about a totally online university. Our university is called Egyptian Technical University. This is the homepage of the university. And we can see the study programs. And now we will show you the first journey of how can a student apply to the university. Firstly, from the top bar, click on Apply. Then enter the full name, birth date, email and phone number and click on Next. Then type the address, city, postal code and choose the educational background. Type in the school name and choose the type of education. Then you should upload the high school certificate and approve for 12 years of education. Then click on Next. Type in a password, confirm the password and choose the major. And click on Submit. And that's how a student can apply to the university. And now we will see how can an admin accept an application. Firstly, the admin should log in. From the portal home of the admin, if there are new applicants, a notification will show up. You can click on Applications, or from the top bar, you can choose View Applicants. Then, if you already viewed the application, you can just accept or reject the application. If he wants to review the application, just click on View Application, and the personal details and the educational background and all the details of the student will be shown. Then go back and click on Accept or Reject the applicant. And that's how an admin can accept or reject applicants. And that's an example of how we handle errors. If the students type in the incorrect email and click on Sign In, a message will show up saying email is incorrect. And now we will see how can a student log in. Firstly, you should click on Login, write the email and password and click on Sign In. And that's the student portal home. You can check the latest news, the latest notifications. Also, you can add quick access buttons like instructor emails, grades. If you want to check the instructor emails, you can just click on it. And he can also see today's schedule. And that's it. And now we will see how can a student check his schedule. From the student portal, today's schedule is just listed right there. Or from the top bar, you can just click on Schedule and see the semester schedule. And that's it from the student's point of view. And now from the admin's point of view. Firstly, you should log in. And from the portal home, you should click from the top bar on Edit Schedule. Choose the major and the semester. Then you should just drag and drop the lectures and the tutorials into the required timings. Or he can just remove a lecture from its timing. After finishing the schedule, you should just click on Submit. And that's it. The schedule is added successfully. And that's it from the admin point of view. And now we will see how can a student view the content of a course. From the portal home, click on CMS. Here's the list of the previous semesters. If the students want to view a course from the previous semesters, he can just click on semester 1 and the list of courses of this semester will show up. But now we'll see the content of semester 6 courses. Choose the first course and then the content will be shown. If you want to download a lecture, just click on Download. Otherwise, we want to watch it, we can just click on Watch and the lecture will show up. We can give a rating to the lecture or give a feedback. After viewing the lecture, we can just click on Back and we can click on Submit to submit the feedback. And that's how a student can view the content of a course. And now we will see how can an instructor manage the content of a course. From the top bar, click on Manage Content, choose the course, Then you can define the course weight. and click on submit, then back. If he wants to add content for a specific course, just click on add content, specify the content type, upload the content, specify the posting date and the deleting date, then click on submit and then go back. If he wants to remove content, he should click on view week's content, then he can remove the content he wants and then go back, and he can remove a whole week if he wants. And that's how an instructor can manage the content of a course. And now we will see how can a student take an exam. From the top bar, click on examination. A list of exams will be shown. If it's not the time for an exam, we will not be able to take it. But if it's time for the exam, we can click on take button. Afterwards, the exam will open up. The number of questions will be listed, and each question will show with the marks related to it. If it's an essay question, the student should type the answer, and if it's an MCQ question, the student should just choose the correct answer. The start time and end time of the exam will be listed. Afterwards, you should click on submit. And that's it from the student side. And now we will see how can an instructor put the exam. Firstly, he should log in. From the top bar, click on define exam. From the list of courses he is teaching, choose the course he wants to put the exam for. Choose the type of the exam and click on next. Then add a question. Choose if it's an MCQ or an open-ended question. Then type in the question, type in the marks for the question, and type in the answers and choose the correct answer. If you want to remove the question, just click on remove question, and if you want to remove a specific answer, click on remove answer. If you want to add another question, just click on add question and choose another question. Type in the question and the marks. After finishing the exam, just click on save, and the exam will be saved successfully. And that's how an instructor can put an exam. And now we will see how can a student view his grades. From course management, he should just click on grades. If he wants to view the grades of previous semesters, he should choose the semester from the sidebar. But for now, we will view the grades of the semester 6 courses. We should just choose the course, and then the grades of the course will just show up. And that's how a student can view his grades. And now we will see how can an instructor grade students. From the top bar, click on grade students, choose the course, then choose the group, choose what to grade. Then you can just type in the grades manually or search for a specific student. He can also sort the students by their names or IDs, or he can just upload an Excel sheet. Then he should click on save, and that's how an instructor can grade students. And now we will see how can a student register for a course. From the top bar, he can just click on course management and click on register for a course, and the available courses for this student will show up. Just tick the courses you want to enroll in and click on submit, and the course will be registered. And that's how a student can register for a course. And now we will see how can an admin modify an existing course or add a new courses. From the top bar, click on manage courses. The list of existing courses will show up. To modify an existing course, just click on it, and then you can add a new instructor and click on submit. Otherwise, you can add a new course. Just click on add new course and choose the major, the semester, and the instructor. Type in the course name and description and click on submit. And that's how an instructor can add a new course or modify an existing one. And that's how can an admin check the course registration requests. First, from the top bar, click on course registration, and then he can see the student requests, the name, major, email, and the course he is requesting, and then he can accept or reject the request.